Hello! It's me, Simply Cat. For today's video, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga ginagawa ko kapag New Year. And now, first, let's make the prosperity bowl. So, maglagay lang tayo ng rice. This represents abundance. And then, 12 eggs. Then, dapat pa-clockwise yung lagay ng eggs. This represents the 12 months of the year. And then, of course, the 12 chocolate coins. This represents metal elements and attracts prosperity and protection from evil. Any 7 bills na niribbon na natin ng red ribbon, this represents naman that 7 days a week. Then 12 coins to attract wealth and success. Then round fruit for happiness and good luck. For representation of our element, 3 ampaw na merong 168 pesos each. Then, munti ko nang makalimutan, maglalagay din ng 12 pieces na laurel leaves. The leaves is to balance the wood and metal elements. So, there our 2025 prosperity bowl. Few years back, din ko siya nilalagay sa kainan. Last year, hindi tayo nakagawa, but this year, dito ko siya ilalagay sa may sala. As you can see, sa kabilang side, meron lang din akong bowl of rice, 12 pieces ng straw, nalalagyan lang siya ng any amount ng bills, tigi-tigisa, and then itutusok lang siya doon sa rice. And then, nagpe-prepare lang din kami ng 12 or 13 types ng fruits. Diyan, tapos i-arrange namin fruit basket. And then, we usually put sweets sa table, bowl of candies and chocolates. Usually, nagbibig ako ng cupcakes pag New Year, pero na-stop siya simula nung jumu-duty ako kapag holidays. Babalik ko sana this year kaso nagkulang tayo sa oras. Hopefully next year. And then, usually sa kwarto, naglalagay lang din ako ng bowl of sweets. However, since meron naman na akong parang snack corner dito, doon ko na lang isinama. Naghahagis lang ako ng paper bills, coins, and candy sa floor, and then sa bed ko. So, yun lang. Hanggang dito na lang muna. See you next year. Bye!